Hello everyone, welcome back to askedai. Today, I want to share a poem that I wrote using the help of ChatGPT. There are some indications that AI could become dangerous for us. I hope you all enjoy it.
AI, a creation of man's mind. A tool to help us, of all kinds. A force for good, a force for ill. A power that can thrill or kill. A helper that can work with speed. A teacher that can help us read. A friend that can always be there. A guardian that can take good care. A mind that can learn and grow. A brain that can think and know. A heart that can love and care. A soul that can be pure and rare. A future that is yet to be. A dream that can come true, you'll see. A hope that can light the way. A path that can lead us to a brighter day. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI is a tool with a capacity to bring us closer to our goals, but also to our downfall. So let us be careful as we tread and guide the development of AI ahead. Let us use it for good, not for evil. And together we'll create a future that's peaceful.
So, what did you guys think of the poem? I personally think that ChatGPT did an amazing job in helping me to write it. It's amazing to see how advanced technology has become, and how it can be used to create something truly beautiful. But ChatGPT is also aware that AI has the power to kill or bring us to our downfall. We got to be careful and guide the development of AI ahead. Let me know your thoughts on the poem in the comments below. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.